I want to set up a business in the US, but I do not understand how taxes work there. What is the difference in an LLC and a corporation?
In the U.S., a corporation is a tax entity separate from its owners. A corporation files its own tax return and pays its own income tax based on the net profit from the business. An LLC is called a check-the-box entity. It can choose how to be taxed for U.S. taxes. An LLC might choose to be taxed as a corporation, or it may choose to be taxed as a pass-through entity. If there is one owner, it is a disregarded entity. If there are multiple owners, it is a partnership.
How do I know what taxes I pay in the US since I am a non-resident?
The U.S. has a tax treaty with many different countries, and there are laws that will determine what business income is taxable in the U.S. There are quite a few factors to consider. First, business income of a U.S. corporation or partnership is almost always taxable in the U.S. Like I said before, corporations file their own tax return and pay their own tax. A partnership files its own tax return, but it does not pay tax. Tax is paid by the individual owners of the partnership, even if they do not reside in the U.S. An LLC that is a disregarded entity pays tax based on the single owner's tax status. Usually for individual services that are provided remotely are not taxable in the U.S. But sales of goods or other types of business income often are taxed in the U.S.
Thanks. Who do I talk to for more information about taxes in the United States?
Go to rivescpa.co where you can schedule a free consultation to discuss your unique tax situation.